Pakistan is selling 52 Super Mushak trainer aircrafts to Turkey. It is a lightweight, robust 2 or 3 seats primary trainer aircraft manufactured by Pakistan Aeronautical Complex. It can operate from any short unprepared strip. The aircraft is ideal for performing roles including basic flight training, instrument flying, aerobatics, stalls and deliberate spins, night flying, navigation flying, formation flying, forward air control, forward area support with droppable supply containers, reconnaissance, artillery fire observation, camouflage inspection, border patrol, liaison, target flying and target towing for training of ground units. Pakistan has also unveiled a light attack variant capable of launching laser-guided and anti-tank missiles.